Meaning of Holyhead.
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 Holyhead. Holyhead is a term that refers to both a Welsh town and a nearby ferry port. This town is located on the island of Anglesey in North Wales, and it is known for its scenic beauty and rich maritime history. Historically, Holyhead has been an important shipping and trading hub, with connections to Ireland and other parts of the British Isles. Today, it remains a popular destination for tourists and travelers, offering a variety of attractions such as beaches, museums, and cultural events. Overall, Holyhead is a fascinating and vibrant place with a unique blend of old-world charm and modern amenities.